how are you? I'm starting out the vlog during dinner time. I just picked up Liam from his friend's house. It was a birthday party. They went to a virtual reality place at the mall, but I dropped them off to Liam's friend's house. They had lunch there, and then they went to the VR place, and then they came back to the house. The boys are now playing laser tag. They've had that toy for a while now. It's really nice to see them playing. I'm sure Jacob really missed his brother. He was home all day without him. I'm making more cabbage salad. I love that stuff so much. It's so delightfully delicious, and it's so easy. It's just cabbage. It's sesame seeds. I add a little too much, but I mean, after sesame seeds, it's just chicken bouillon. Let me not do too much. I'm gonna do a teaspoon. That sounds like a little bit, but I promise you it's like so concentrated. And also you can add more later. That's what I like to do. And then sesame oil. I do not measure. I measure with love. And then I add more of the cabbage, mix it up, and it's so delightful. Like, I'm obsessed. I like it more than the first one that I was obsessed with. Long story short, I like cabbage. I like cabbage a lot. I'm making burgers tonight. Cabbage salad burgers, sweet potato fries. Sorry about the noise, but I have my mic on, so maybe you hear me instead of the kids screaming during their laser tag. And now you mix. You can even add other stuff like green onions, carrots, whatever. But the original recipe I saw was just like this. Oopsie, I didn't close it all the way. Some sesame seeds want to be running away. Okay. You mix, and then you're good to go. And you can eat it all week long. It lasts a few days in our household. Justin and I both love it. By the way, do you guys watch HDP Travel on TikTok? I love him. I love him so much. I love his videos. He's so fun. I don't live in LA, and he travels like 52 weeks out of the year, okay? And he travels everywhere, and he always talks about like the chagachino from Alfred's. Oh my gosh, I want to try a chagachino so bad. And then he eats a sandwich in Moreno Valley, and that's where my dad's side of the family used to live, my stepdad's side. And he eats at the sandwich shop, and I want to eat at that sandwich shop. He's like a big foodie, and I love watching him because he talks about food all the time. One time I told him to go to Denver. Well, no, I didn't tell him to go to Denver, but I told him to try the sushi place I went to in Denver. He tried it, and he liked it, so that made my heart so happy. I don't know, he's like my comfort. Like, I watch him, and he's just so fun. I'm working on the sweet potato fries now. This peeler is my favorite. Someone had mentioned that, oh, that seems dangerous. No, not at all. Like, I have had other peelers, and this one's the least dangerous, or I just am very comfortable with it. And so, no, my friend, I find that it has been the least dangerous of all my peelers. Like, it's just so easy. Like, I can't even describe to you, like, I don't know. It'd be like $5 on Amazon. I'm not mad at it. It just works. And every time, like, it goes bad or something, I just buy a new one, or if it rusts or whatever. And that's like once every 10 years. Friends, I fed a buddy some apples. It's so cute. Hi, little bunny. It's adorable. This is dinner. I made sweet potato fries, the cabbage salad, leftover roast broccoli, and my Impossible cheeseburger. And some big fat chewy chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Oh my goodness, these are good. Oh, hello. I just have my neck massager and my red light therapy. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's working, but I love red light therapy for, like, I don't know. I just feel like it helped me sleep when I used to go to that cryotherapy place. More drama. They both want to sit here. Oh my gosh. So, what's going on? You want to sit on the couch, Koopy? Oliver's like, I'm so annoyed. I want to sit here. I'm not moving. Look at Oliver's ears. That's when you know he's hecka annoyed. It's okay, Koopy. Find somewhere else to play, Baba. Okay? I have a son who doesn't sit on a couch. He stands everywhere. What you doing, my Baba? Go sit down, please. That's dangerous. I grew this wheatgrass for Mr. Bob. Oh, Mr. Bob. Bob, Mr. Big Boy Bob. I got a wheatgrass for you. I made it for you, Honey Papa, do you remember wheatgrasses? Oh, Papa. I guess he's not that interested in it anymore. It's okay, Bob. I made it for you, though. The other cats tried to eat it, so I kept it in my bathroom. Maybe in a little while you'll check it out, yeah? Hello, friends. How are you? We're going to Liam's band concert. That's why I got my Jiggy in his quarter zip. Yay, my big boy's here. We're back from Liam's concert. It was so good.
This guy is in bliss right now.
So Oliver got really big really fast, right? And I told Justin, I was like, oh, he might be a Maine Coon mix.
He a main entree.
No, he be eating main entrees. Oh, Ollie Pop, my sweetheart, you got big real quick. Look at that face. He loves it. He loves it. Oh, he loves it. He's like, yes. Look at him. We got really lucky with our sweet kitties. Hello, friends. How are you? So yesterday when we were going to Liam's band concert, my car started going beep, beep, beep. And it says that the trunk is open even though it's not. Girl, we just got my car fixed like 2 weeks ago. Right, honey?
Frustrating. No, it was last week.
Oh, shoot.
It was literally last week.
Oh, shoot. I forgot. I thought at least 2 weeks ago. Anyways, yeah, we just got my car fixed 2 weeks ago, $1,000 later, and here we are again. Something about this Tesla, it does not like the cold. We should have known better. We should have been sold that car in Cali and just gotten a snow car here.
It's been
we
a lot.
Didn't know.
I must say though,
Yeah,
it is also a 10-year-old car. That's one other factor. I mean, I've had issues with the Volvo too, which is 10 years. I mean, one thing about us guys is we run our cars into the ground, but now I don't know. It's getting to a point where I'm just like, I don't know, man. It's
and we
like,
spent a lot of money like bringing it here too.
We sure did. Yeah.
My gosh, like see, the thing is, I be thinking like, is it worth even owning a car? Like, I be thinking that now because
we've had the Volvo paid off for a long time and it's nice. Like, it's a good functional car.
Yeah, but now the Tessie too. But in my head, I'm like, was it worth it? Because I have some family members that be leasing, and it seems like a good idea because she gets a new car every 2 years, and I'm like, that's NARS. That's NARS. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. But yeah, we're gonna just eat our leftover mole that I made. Go watch that video I just put on Instagram. I made rice with chicken broth, mole chicken broth, but I also have some regular and then some cabbage salad. And my mole has imitation crab meat. I don't really like it as much as when I made it with scallops, but I wanted to try something new, try something a little different. But I love the mole sauce, and I know it's even better to me with plain white rice. That's why I don't do the chicken broth rice, because just the flavor of this sauce is everything. But yeah, that's what's going on. Justin took my car to get fixed, and he said it's something about can you tell them, friends?
Yeah, here's one thing. I will give a compliment to the Tesla dealership that we take it into, because when you schedule a service in the app, like, I couldn't get an appointment for like 3 weeks or something, but I know a guy there basically, and so I call and he's like, just bring it in, like, we'll squeeze you in. And so they've been like, even with last week, like, they were able to squeeze us in and fix it within 24 hours. Same thing, they're looking at it right now, and he's optimistic that they can get it fixed within the day, and they gave us a loaner too. So it's and I'm out of warranty, so technically they don't have to do that. So this is 2 times now they've given us a loaner for free. So that they do a good job at service. So that is cool. So hopefully it's just the door lock it's either the latch or the actuator of the door lock of the latch. And I mean, this is the first year that they made these cars. 2016 was the first year they made the X. So they've made a lot of enhancements to it since then. They actually gave us a plaid like 2026 or 2025 X last week for a loaner, and it was really nice because it was super nice. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it's this will be the last issue for a while.
Yeah, I'm hoping so because I'm that type to drive the car until the wheels fall off, and then I'll replace the wheels. And that's how I am with my phone. I had like a very old model phone. And can y'all stop being Android haters? People with iPhones really be thinking they're better. But wait a second, I built my whole life on this Android, and I'm doing just fine. So, like, stop it, you iPhone people. Stop saying you're better than other people. It's just a phone. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna eat now. Bye, friends.